Okay, it's been a while since I've done an update, but we have painted the whole outside of the camper. We have some places where we need to touch up, but it is all installed. And let's see, you got the cord for the brakes and whatnot for the vehicle to hook up to the vehicle there, and you got the gas line there, and we put the awning on, and it's all nice and painted. All the lights are on. We have installed that little box up there at the top is for our antenna. This is for an exhaust fan in the kitchen. This is for when we hook up to internet cable at a campground. This here is for our water intake, and there's an outside shower. We still have to paint the bumper, but there's our license plate, yes, and a heavy duty cord for our shore power. We still got to get a new lock for that, but we got all of our lights on the back side. Looks really good. Alright, now we're going inside. On the inside, we've done a ton of work. Okay, my son built us some storage bins up here at the top. This area right here is going to be for my for a few cookbooks and for some spices. And then we have a little bin here. Of course, it's full of stuff now, but this one is going to be for like a firearm or whatever, a hidden storage area. And this one over here, which will be behind the sofa, sorry, let me move the 12 volt out of the way. That one is long and it goes all the way over there, and that one's going to be for things like maps and brochures and that kind of thing, places to go camp. And as you can see, I have done all the installation. We were going to do spray-in installation, but that was too expensive. So we decided to do closed cell styrofoam, and use the spray foam around it to fill in the gaps and whatnot. And I'm going to tell you, it works great. We actually come out here and worked at night, and it's been cold here, and we didn't even have to turn on the heater. So it's really good. And of course, you can see we put in the walls for the bathroom. Let's see here. Can you see the shower pan is sitting there with a roll of insulation in it, and the toilet is sitting over there. Let's see if you can see the toilet. Yep, brand new toilet. And of course, we have wiring in the walls. All the electrical's done. The 12 volt is run. That's going to be curled up behind. There's going to be a big storage cabinet there, and that's going to be curled up behind there, just in case we want to put a 12 volt in the cabinet itself. And of course, this area right here, this is going to be for my stack-on washer and dryer. Yes, I found a stack-on washer and dryer. And of course, right here in our bathroom behind the toilet, we have left room there, and it's over the wheel well. So we are going to build shelves all the way to the ceiling for storage in the bathroom. And as you can see, we've also installed the ceiling and the lights, and that's an exhaust fan, a house exhaust fan. They modified it to work in here. Our guys are so cool. Okay, still more installation. We insulated this sucker big time, let me tell you. Let me see. Here is the very first wall we put in. And we put this wall in, and it's a smooth beadboard. Well, we wanted to put that one in because it has our little heater in it, and cable for the TV, and all this kind of stuff. Well, we go back to get it, and they discontinued it. And the other stuff is rough, and we didn't want rough in the camper because it's easier to wipe this stuff down than it is the other. And I didn't want to have to deal with dust and everything getting on it. So we looked around and looked around until we found 13 more sheets, and we are happy. Oh, let me see here. I showed you the outside water. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, there's the water intake right there, and there is the outside shower. We built a box around it and insulated it. Well, I'm going to insulate it, but we put a piece of plexiglass on the back of it, so if it has a leak, it'll be all in that box instead of in my bed, which is going to be sitting right here. So that was a precautionary thing there. Of course, we've got our electrical in. All the electrical is run. Yay. And there's our breaker box. And we got our walls, so we're going to be doing our walls probably this weekend. We are going to use the same stuff on the ceiling in this curved area here, because originally there were cabinets up there, but since I'm going to have cabinets all the way from this corner to that corner, I can see putting cabinets up there too. There's going to be shelving there for like knickknacks or whatever, you know. So that's why we have to figure out how to put this board up there. The first two we tried to put up snapped in two. So we're going to go with smaller pieces. But that is our update, folks. We've got our all of our vent fans in, and we got a brand new AC, and it works fabulous. Okay, there you have it. Alrighty. Thank you.